Gotta get that fudge. Gotta lick it though. Gotta lick that fudge. Gotta lick it good, huh? Gotta lick that fudge. Gotta do that homework. Looking for fudge. Look at that Tinkerbell cup. Holograph, she's from China. He's eating ravioli from Chef Boyardee. Yep, I think he's about to hit me. Don't be mad. Be glad. And he may be sad, but don't be mad. Do. Just eat. Dear, chicka, dear, chicka, beer, just eat. Just eat those raviolis. How do ravioli goodness? Yeah, this is what it's for. It's the swirly lines. Think of it as a hypnotizing commercial. Yes, for Chef Boyardee. Yay!